4 powerful fruits you must eat to flush out kidney toxins overnight. Most people over 60 eat fruit at some point during the day without ever thinking about timing. A piece of fruit at breakfast, an apple in the afternoon, maybe something sweet after dinner. And without realizing it, most seniors are missing the single most effective window of the entire day to use fruit specifically for kidney support. Here is something your doctor probably never explained to you. Your kidneys do their most important detoxification and repair work while you sleep. During those 6 to 8 hours, your body is not taking in new fluids or new toxins from food. This is the one daily window where your kidneys can focus almost entirely on clearing what is already accumulated, rather than constantly processing new incoming waste. And the right fruit eaten in the evening, before this overnight window begins, can meaningfully support that process. The truth is most seniors save their fruit for the morning or skip it entirely in the evening, believing fruit before bed is somehow unhealthy or will disrupt sleep. This common belief means most people are missing out on one of the simplest, most natural ways to support overnight kidney flushing. Today on 60 Strong, I am going to show you 4 powerful fruits that may help flush out kidney toxins specifically when eaten in the evening, working with your body's natural overnight repair cycle rather than against it. Stay with me until the end because fruit number 4 is the one most seniors specifically avoid in the evening for the wrong reason entirely, and the research behind why it may actually be one of the best evening fruits for kidney support will likely surprise you. Let us get started. Fruit number 1. Watermelon. Watermelon earns the top spot on this list specifically for its evening kidney flushing potential because of a unique amino acid it contains in higher concentration than almost any other food. Why it works overnight. Watermelon is one of the richest dietary sources of citrulline, an amino acid that your body converts into arginine and then into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, including the small arterioles that supply blood directly to the kidney's filtering units. This matters specifically for the overnight window because improved blood flow to the kidneys during sleep means more oxygen and nutrients reach kidney tissue precisely when it is doing its most important repair and filtration work. A modest evening serving of watermelon, consumed an hour or 2 before bed, allows this citrulline-driven blood flow effect to be active during the early hours of sleep, when much of the night's kidney filtration work is taking place. Watermelon is also approximately 92% water, providing gentle hydration support heading into the overnight fasting period without requiring a large volume of fluid that might disrupt sleep with frequent bathroom trips. And it is naturally low in potassium compared to many other fruits, making it one of the safer fruit choices for seniors who have been advised to monitor potassium intake. A study published in the American Journal of Hypertension found that citrulline supplementation from watermelon extract improved arterial function and blood flow measurably within hours of consumption, supporting the idea that an evening serving could remain active during the early overnight period. How to eat it. 1 to 1.5 cups of fresh watermelon, eaten about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, is a reasonable evening portion. Avoid eating it immediately before lying down, as with any fluid-containing food close to sleep, to reduce the chance of nighttime bathroom interruptions. Fruit number 2. Tart cherries. Tart cherries are one of the most specifically researched fruits for overnight physiological support, and their relevance to kidney health during sleep comes through a pathway most people have never connected to their kidneys at all. Why it works overnight. Tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone your body produces to regulate sleep. Beyond their well-known role in supporting sleep quality, tart cherries also contain a dense concentration of anthocyanins, the same kidney protective antioxidant compounds found in blueberries. The connection to kidney health here is twofold. Better sleep quality itself has been associated in research with improved overnight kidney function, because deep sleep stages are when growth hormone release and tissue repair processes, including in kidney tissue, are most active. A fruit that supports both better sleep and direct antioxidant protection in the same evening serving offers a uniquely efficient overnight kidney support option. The anthocyanins in tart cherries also help reduce oxidative stress in kidney tubular cells, the cells responsible for reabsorbing nutrients during the filtration process. This antioxidant protection is particularly valuable during the night, when kidney tissue continues working to clear accumulated waste from the day without the benefit of fresh dietary antioxidants typically supplied throughout daytime meals. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that tart cherry juice consumption improved sleep duration and quality in older adults, while separate research has documented the anthocyanin content of tart cherries as comparable to or exceeding that found in blueberries. How to eat it. A small handful of fresh tart cherries, or 4 ounces of pure unsweetened tart cherry juice, consumed about 1 hour before bed, provides a reasonable evening dose. If using juice, always select 100% tart cherry juice with no added sugar. Fruit number 3. Kiwi. Before fruit number 4, the one most seniors specifically avoid in the evening. Subscribe to 60 Strong right now if you have not already. We release new senior kidney health content every week. Drop a comment below. Do you currently eat fruit in the evening or only earlier in the day? I read every single comment. Kiwi is rarely discussed in kidney health conversations, yet its specific nutrient combination makes it particularly well suited to an evening role in supporting overnight detoxification. Why it works overnight. Kiwi contains a unique digestive enzyme called actinitin, along with significant fiber content, both of which support efficient digestion overnight rather than leaving undigested material to ferment and potentially produce excess gut-derived waste compounds that the kidneys would otherwise need to help process the following day. Kiwi is also exceptionally high in vitamin C, providing meaningful antioxidant support that, similar to tart cherries, can work through the overnight hours to help neutralize free radicals generated continuously during kidney filtration. Because kiwi is typically eaten with its nutrient-dense flesh largely intact and minimally processed, this vitamin C content remains highly bioavailable. Importantly for evening use specifically, research has examined kiwi's effect on sleep quality directly. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who consumed kiwi fruit before bed for 4 weeks experienced improved sleep onset and sleep quality compared to before the study began, an effect the researchers attributed in part to kiwi's antioxidant and serotonin-related compounds. Better sleep, as discussed with tart cherries, supports the growth hormone-driven tissue repair processes that benefit kidney tissue specifically during deep sleep stages. How to eat it. 1 to 2 kiwis, eaten whole or sliced, about 1 hour before bed, is a reasonable and well-tolerated evening portion for most seniors. Fruit number 4. Pineapple. This is the fruit I promised at the beginning. The one most seniors specifically avoid in the evening, usually because of concerns about its acidity or a belief that its natural sugar content makes it a poor choice before bed. The research suggests a more nuanced picture, particularly regarding its specific relevance to kidney support overnight. Why it works overnight. Pineapple contains bromelain, a group of digestive enzymes that have been studied for their anti-inflammatory properties throughout the body. While most discussions of bromelain focus on joint and digestive health, its broader anti-inflammatory action is relevant to kidney tissue as well, since chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the primary drivers of progressive kidney function decline after 60. Consuming pineapple in the evening allows bromelain's anti-inflammatory action to be active during the overnight hours, when inflammatory processes in kidney tissue that built up throughout the day are most in need of being addressed before the next day's filtration workload begins. Pineapple also contains manganese, a trace mineral involved in antioxidant enzyme function within cells, including the superoxide dismutase enzyme that helps protect kidney tissue from oxidative damage generated during overnight filtration. Regarding the common concern about evening fruit and blood sugar, research on whole fruit consumption, including pineapple, generally shows a more moderate blood sugar response than many people expect, particularly when consumed in a reasonable portion size and not on an entirely empty stomach late at night. The fiber content in whole pineapple slows sugar absorption considerably compared to pineapple juice or other processed forms. A review published in Food Research International discussed bromelain's anti-inflammatory mechanisms and noted its potential relevance to conditions involving chronic low-grade inflammation throughout the body, a category that includes the progressive inflammatory processes associated with kidney function decline in older adults. How to eat it. A half cup to 1 cup of fresh pineapple, eaten about 1 to 2 hours before bed, is a reasonable evening portion for most seniors without diabetes. If you are managing blood sugar levels closely, discuss appropriate portion size and timing with your doctor or dietitian, as individual responses to evening fruit can vary. Before we close, it is worth being clear about something. Eating fruit in the evening is not inherently superior to eating fruit earlier in the day for every single person. The overnight timing advantage described in this video relates specifically to supporting the kidney's natural overnight repair and filtration cycle, and works best as one piece of a broader daily approach that includes appropriate hydration, balanced meals, and the morning and daytime habits we have covered throughout this series. If you have diabetes or are managing blood sugar closely, the timing and portion size of any evening fruit should be discussed with your doctor, as individual blood sugar responses to evening eating vary considerably from person to person. So there you have it. For powerful fruits that may help support overnight kidney flushing when eaten in the evening, working with your body's natural overnight repair cycle rather than against it. Watermelon, delivering citrulline that supports improved blood flow to kidney tissue during the early hours of sleep, alongside gentle hydration and a naturally low potassium profile. Tart cherries, providing both natural melatonin to support sleep quality and dense anthocyanin antioxidant protection in a single evening serving, working through the connection between deep sleep and overnight tissue repair. Kiwi, offering high bioavailable vitamin C alongside research-supported sleep quality benefits, both of which support the conditions your kidneys need for efficient overnight detoxification. And pineapple, the fruit most people specifically avoid in the evening, delivering bromelaine's anti-inflammatory action precisely when overnight inflammation in kidney tissue most needs addressing, alongside manganese to support the body's own antioxidant enzyme systems. Here is the most important thing to take from today's video. Small, intentional choices about when you eat, not just what you eat, can meaningfully support the natural processes your kidneys are already trying to carry out every single night. None of these 4 fruits require dramatic changes to your routine, simply a shift in timing for a food many seniors already enjoy regularly. If you have any diagnosed kidney condition or are managing diabetes, please discuss appropriate evening fruit choices and portions with your doctor or a registered dietitian, as your individual needs may differ from these general recommendations. If this video helped you think differently about your evening routine, please share it with someone you care about. And subscribe to 60 Strong if you have not already, because next week we are covering the best evening snacks beyond fruit that may help support overnight kidney repair. Take care of your kidneys, even while you sleep. I will see you in the next video.